Hey guys, I am going to do a quick little tutorial on how you can copy purchase order lines into a PO if you have a long list of items. This is one of the more advanced features in Business Central. So what we have here, we have this sales order that was created that we need to take all of these items and create a purchase order for them. To receive them into stock. And you can do this with any Excel listing if you have a long list from a vendor or customer and you want to create a PO to a particular vendor. So what you'll want to do is if you don't already have the Excel listing, you need to build a table. You can go to any screen in Nav and send it to Excel. You just go up to the blue arrow, print and send, export to Excel, and then it will export a Excel workbook, and you look for the tab that has the lines. So we have a table here with all of the items and quantities, and so we want to turn this into a format that will match the PO. So what I've done is also, we're going to close out of this and close that out. We have our table. I've opened a blank PO here, and I have all of my columns set here in my normal purchase order column settings. So you'll want to make sure that have your purchase order columns handy, and you need to take your Excel worksheet and you're going to want to move the columns around so that every column matches the column order however you have your purchase order screen set. So I have this template that I've already manipulated here, and we have all of our columns in the same order. You can see column A matches line number, column B is your item line type, you have your item number, and if you have a column that there's no data, you need to still have that column, just leave it blank. And then you would want to go and make sure you have all of the columns up until unit cost. Everything after the per unit cost really doesn't matter. You shouldn't try to copy the line amount. If you try copying this in, if there's a decimal issue with it will give you errors. So just you make sure you have your quantity and then your branch location and unit costs. And when you paste it, it's going to automatically calculate your extended line amount. So once you have your Excel sheet formatted in the right column order, you want to highlight the first cell of the first line, and then you just click and drag all the way down to the bottom right last cell of the last line of the unit cost column. Once you have all of your cells highlighted, you right click and copy or Control C. Then you go to your purchase order, and over in the first line in the blue area over here, you right click and then go to paste rows. And it's going to think for a minute. It's running through validating every line. And once it's done, all of your rows should paste and populate the same way your Excel spreadsheet was, and it will automatically update your extended line amounts over here. And then you should be good to go to edit and add or change anything from here. But that's just how you can take an Excel list and paste it into a PO.